Have you ever wondered what the largest object in the entire universe is? Not the largest planet, not the largest star, not even the largest galaxy. I'm talking about something so enormous that light takes billions of years to completely traverse it. And the most astonishing thing is that scientists still aren't sure whether such objects should even exist. It's a structure called the Hercules-Corona Northern Great Wall. It sounds like a name from science fiction, but it's a real object, and it may be the largest known structure in the universe. And here's the interesting thing. When most people imagine space, they think of stars and galaxies scattered in the void. But in reality, the universe is more like a giant cosmic web. Galaxies gather in groups. Groups combine into clusters. Clusters form superclusters. And then structures appear so enormous, they're hard to even imagine. And here's where things get weird. The Hercules-Corona Northern Great Wall is estimated to be about 10 billion light-years across. To put that into perspective, consider that our galaxy is roughly 100,000 light-years in diameter. That makes this structure about 100,000 times larger than the Milky Way. But how could you even detect something so enormous? Scientists can't simply photograph the entire structure. Instead, they use gamma-ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe. Some of them release more energy in a few seconds than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. When astronomers began mapping the locations of these bursts, they noticed something unusual. They weren't randomly distributed. Many of them seemed to line up like a giant cosmic wall. But here's the interesting part. According to modern models of cosmology, such enormous structures shouldn't form at all. There's something called the principle of homogeneity. If you look at the universe on a large enough scale, it should appear roughly the same in all directions. However, the Hercules-Corona Northern Great Wall seems to violate this rule. And a question immediately arises. If this structure truly exists, doesn't that mean our models of the universe are incomplete? Some scientists believe so, but others are more cautious. They suggest we may be seeing a statistical illusion. Perhaps there's insufficient data, and the structure itself appears larger than it actually is. And here comes a new twist. This is far from the only gigantic object discovered by astronomers. In recent years, researchers have discovered several more colossal structures, the sizes of which also raise questions. Each new discovery only deepens the problem. Because while one such structure could have formed by chance, several similar objects are much more difficult to explain. But the most astonishing thing is yet to come. We don't even know if this wall is the largest object in the universe. The fact is, the observable universe contains trillions of galaxies, and we've only explored a small fraction of what we can see. Every new telescope uncovers objects no one suspected existed. James Webb has already discovered galaxies that are forcing scientists to reconsider old theories. And it's entirely possible that even larger structures will be discovered in the coming years. Just imagine. What is today considered the largest object in the universe may tomorrow turn out to be just a part of something much grander. That's why astronomers continue to search for answers. Because the question is no longer just about size. The question is whether we even understand the structure of the universe correctly. Perhaps the Hercules-Corona Northern Great Wall is a rare cosmic anomaly. Or perhaps this is the first hint that the universe's greatest secrets are just beginning to be revealed.